Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, my name is Nina. I'm going to show you a free workshop you can take your children to, absolutely free. All you need to do is head over to homedepot.com. You can type in kids free workshops, sign up. What you want to make sure you do is that you're choosing your correct location, because this is where you're going to be signed up at. These kids workshops, they give the kids a free apron, they give them their work kit, everything they need. And each first Saturday of the month, they build a different item. My kids enjoy this. I try to go to as many of these as possible. One, because they're absolutely free, and this is something that my boys enjoy. They love building stuff. After each project that they complete, they do give them a little pin on their little aprons. They wrote their name on the aprons, and it's, many times you go and you complete a project, you collect the pins, you add them onto your apron, kind of like what they do for the employees that's been working there for so long. So, it's a little fun, accomplishment that the kids like to reach. So my kids are painting their item. Now, this is a hands-on project. Parents, you will need to help your kids assemble this. Look at my boys. Oh. Next day, this time they created a butterfly house, and each project is like they're creating something that they're building. Like a planter, they're going to get them seeds to grow something. One time they did a planter for carrots, so we did get carrot seeds. Now, each location offered different things at times, and ours had the firefighters there. They brought out the fire truck. The kid got fire hats. They were able to ask them any questions they had. Here's the schedule for the rest of the year. Go ahead and sign your kids up. The event time is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's on a first-come, first-served basis. Now, if you found this information helpful, comment below. Let me know if you like it and want to see more content like this. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and get those notifications. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.